Weird.
Strange or unusual. Not normal or expected. I saw a weird flower at the park. He did a weird dance at the party. Strange. Different from what is normal. The house had a strange smell. His behavior was strange after the accident. Odd. Different from what is usual or expected. That's an odd way to eat a sandwich. There's something odd about that nose. Bizarre. Very strange, strikingly odd or unexpected. The party had a bizarre theme. Her outfit was bizarre for the occasion. Eerie. Strange, causing a feeling of fear or unease. The old house had an eerie atmosphere. The silence was eerie. Uncanny. Strange, seeming to have a supernatural explanation. Her ability to predict the future was uncanny. The resemblance between the twins was uncanny. Abnormal. Deviating from what is normal or usual. Atypical. His high temperature was abnormal. Her behavior was abnormal. Eccentric. Unusual and peculiar in behavior or appearance. My aunt is quite eccentric. She has an eccentric taste in clothes. Outlandish. Very different from what is normal or expected. Her outfit was outlandish for the office. The idea for the new product was outlandish. Grotesque. Comically or repulsively ugly or distorted. The monster was grotesque. The clown had a grotesque appearance. Freakish. Very unusual or strange, abnormal. The weather has been freakish lately. That's a freakish coincidence. Mysterious. Difficult to understand or explain. Full of secrets. Her disappearance was mysterious. The old house had a mysterious aura. Unusual. Not common or ordinary. It's unusual to see snow in April. He has an unusual hobby. Peculiar. Strange or odd. There's a peculiar smell in this room. He has a peculiar way of laughing. Quirky. Having peculiar or distinctive characteristics. She has a quirky spinning top. The town has a quirky charm. Offbeat. Different from what is normal or expected. He has an offbeat style. We took an offbeat route home. Wacky. Amusingly eccentric or irrational. He had a wacky idea to start a hot air balloon delivery service. The movie had a wacky plot. Absurd. Ridiculously unreasonable or illogical. It's absurd to think you can finish that project in one day. His fear of spiders is absurd. Unconventional. Not conforming to accepted ways of doing things. She has an unconventional approach to problem solving. The artist's style was unconventional. Deviant. Departing from accepted standards in social behavior. His deviant behavior alarmed the neighbors. The experiment produced deviant results. Unnatural. Not occurring naturally, artificial or abnormal. The unnatural silence in the forest was eerie. Her unnatural calm in the face of danger was unsettling. Droll. Amusingly odd or peculiar. He had a droll sense of humor. The old man had a droll way of speaking. Outrageous. Shockingly bad, excessive or extreme. Her outrageous outfit caused a stir. The company's outrageous profit margins were criticized. Unsettling. Causing anxiety, nervousness or discomfort. The eerie silence was unsettling. The movie had an unsettling ending. Unorthodox. Contrary to what is usual, traditional or accepted. The doctor used an unorthodox treatment. Her unorthodox views on education sparked debate. Dubious. Doubtful, questionable or uncertain. The validity of the claim is dubious. His motives for helping were dubious. Ludicrous. So foolish or out of place as to be amusing. The idea of flying cars still seems ludicrous to many people. His explanation for being late was absolutely ludicrous. Curious. Strange and unusual. Intriguing. The detective found a curious clue at the crime scene. She has a curious collection of antique toys. Anomalous. Deviating from what is normal or expected. The scientist observed some anomalous data in the experiment. The weather this summer has been anomalous, with record-breaking temperatures. Surreal. Having the qualities of surrealism, bizarre. The painting has a surreal quality that captivates viewers. Walking through the deserted city felt surreal, like a scene from a movie. Whimsical. Playfully quaint or fanciful. The garden is decorated with whimsical statues of fairies and gnomes. She has a whimsical style of writing that charms her readers.
Quaint.
Attractively unusual or old-fashioned. The village has a quaint charm with its cobblestone streets and historic buildings. She wore a quaint hat that looked like it came from a different era. Mystifying. Utterly bewildering or perplexing. The magician's tricks were mystifying and left the audience in awe. The disappearance of the keys was mystifying. They were there just a moment ago. Preternatural. Beyond what is normal or natural. He exhibited a preternatural calm in the face of danger. The creature moved with a preternatural speed that was hard to follow. Inexplicable. Unable to be explained or accounted for. There was an inexplicable noise coming from the attic. Her sudden change of hairstyles was inexplicable to her friends. Marvelous. Causing great wonder, extraordinary. The fireworks display was truly marvelous. He has a marvelous talent for storytelling that keeps everyone entertained. Extraordinary. Very unusual or remarkable. She has an extraordinary ability to remember faces. The team achieved extraordinary success in the competition. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more English practice lessons.